Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Geek. So today we are going to solve revising the select query second, which is a basic select question of SQL on HackerRank. So in the question, we have a city table with five fields: ID, name, country code, district, and population. And here we have the data types of the fields. Now we have to query only the name field from the table for all American cities which have population larger than 1,20,000. It is given that the country code for America is USA. So let's write the query. First write the select. So here we just want to select the name field. So here we mention only name. Now from. So our table name is city and we want our data from this table only. So we write city. Now let's write the filter. So here in where clause we use where clause to filter the data. So first of all, this city must be an American city. And if a city is America or not, it can be identified from the country code of the city. And we also have this information that the country code for America is USA. So we apply the condition on column country code equal to USA. And now the second condition is that the population of the city must be larger than 1,20,000. So now the data or the information related to the population is stored in the column with the same name, that is population. So we are going to apply the filter on the same column, that is population greater than 1,20,000. Let's run the code. Okay, so here we get the data. We get only name of the cities because it is what we have mentioned in our query. We just want the name of the cities. So here we get names of the cities which are American cities and have population larger than 1,20,000. So let's submit the code.
Thank you everyone. That's it for today's question. I hope you understood the logic. The code link is in the description. Just click it and you will be taken to our website where you can easily copy and paste the code into your editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye.